it's day 6 and you're still here, I see you. This is the 12 days of beauty and we are on day 6 because we are showing you different products. I am showing you different products that I've loved this year for 12 days, and then on Christmas Day, which it will be the 12th day, something special, a giveaway, will be occurring. So you want to make sure you're subscribed and you're following along on this journey. Now that we've made it to day 6, we're going to talk about one of my newer purchases, but it has ultimately been one of my favorites, which is the Lancome Foundation. So this does have some SPF in it. I actually did a whole video on foundations for oily skin, so be sure to check that out so you can see what other ones I've used this year that have really helped with my oily skin. The reason why I like this is because it's super lightweight. It's beautifully on the skin. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little bit. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand and then take my beauty blender and we're just gonna go on this area here. And as you can see, it's already just like flawless. And I only used a smidge. And it's already helped with some discoloration that I have around my mouth. Super lightweight, the color matches me perfectly. And I like to travel with this because it is 24-hour wear. Like I said, it has sunscreen in it and it's comfortable. So this is a foundation I would recommend for oily skin. And like I said, check out this video here. Leave a comment down below. This one is a little bit more pricey, but it's worth it if you don't wear a ton of foundation all the time and you need something that's chef kiss. Subscribe because tomorrow is day 7 of 12 days of beauty and we're just getting started on the 12th day. You don't want to miss it. Hit the like button, leave a comment down below and let me know your current foundations, and I'll see you tomorrow.